Here we go again, guys. I have a few more mystery rescue boxes from Poshmark. If you're curious to see what I got in these ones and what I plan to do to fix them, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 2 more rescue boxes from Poshmark. If you guys didn't catch that first video where I shared with you what my approach to selling on Poshmark was going to be, make sure you check that out. I will link it in the description box below, along with any of the other videos that I have released in this series. So what we're going to do today is go over 2 boxes that I got from 2 different sellers on Poshmark, reviewing all of the items in the box, what is wrong with them, what I'm going to do to fix them, to get them ready for sale on Poshmark. So without further ado, let's jump into what we got in these boxes. Okay guys, so for the first box, it is 7 pieces. I paid $23.72 for the box. That averages out to $3.39 per piece. So let's see what they put in here. The first thing I'm grabbing here is a New York & Company white lacy kind of tank top. So here's your tags, New York & Company, and I mean, it's cute. I'm not jumping out of my seat about it, quite frankly. And the issue with this is that the hem is coming undone. So super easy fix for me. We'll fix that, get it resold. So the next item is a Linda Allard Ellen Tracy. Let's say that 5 times fast. It's a size 4 pant. Now I tried these on because I saw that it was size 4 and I was like, what the heck is wrong with these? I didn't see anything wrong with them. Here's what's wrong with them, guys. The button on the inside is missing. Really? Like, I can fix that in like literally probably 1 minute flat. Maybe you guys should time me. It'll probably take longer. But I'm just saying it would be a super easy fix. So I'll probably list them though, because I just didn't really like the way that they looked on me, but I did try them on. I considered keeping them. Okay, so now we have an Airy, I guess, pair of, I don't know, loungewear pants. Super cute though, right? Super cute. They have this nice gather at the bottom. Guys, I couldn't find a really big issue wrong with these. The only issue that I could see was that the back of it was starting to come undone. Like, see how it's pulling away there? So that was the only major issue I could see. Ooh, I'm sorry. Look at that. Yeah, that's kind of major. I don't know. I'll probably give these away. We'll see. Maybe I'll do a DIY with them. I don't know. This is so cute. I love this romper, but it does have some issues that I'm not sure how I'm going to fix. But this is a Free People size small romper. There's your tag, guys. So look at this. Oh, so cute. It's never been worn, allegedly, because the little tag's on there. Look at the back. So pretty. I really love it. Yeah, I really love this piece, but as I looked closer at it, it has a lot of snags happening. I'm really not sure how to approach fixing that. But this is actually my size, so honestly, I probably would wear it with the snags on it. It has pockets too. So cute. So I don't know, maybe I'll try this on, see if I like it, and just keep it for myself. We'll see. I don't know if I'm going to list that or not, because there are a lot of snag issues with that one. So now we have a pair of Abercrombie & Fitch super skinny high-rise 6 regular jeans. Boom! There you go. So I know what the issue is with these, because it's quite obvious. We're stained. Hello. Can I get that out? Oh, we're going to find out. We'll see what happens. Okay, so now we're moving on to this. This is so cute. I love this. So this is Sleeping on Snow sweater, size small. Yeah, size small. Super cute. Look at this. Oh, I love this sweater, but I'm sure you can already see the issues because I could see them when I held it up to the camera. Look, all kinds of weird staining. Like, it's all over it. You know, it's just all over it. Can you see? I don't know. But it literally is all over it. Can I get that out? Well, I don't know. I don't know. Look at that. What the heck happened to this thing? I don't know. I'll have to brainstorm on that one. So the last item that they put in this box is a spider jacket size small. get this box out of the way. It's so in the way. Spider jacket, size small. It's like a puffer jacket, super cute. It does have some minor flaws that I feel I can fix. Unfortunately, one of the flaws on here is this. I know, you guys tell me your thoughts on this. Let me know if I should take this logo off and just wipe it clean or leave the peeled logo on here. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. Comment below if I should leave this on here or if I should completely remove it since it's already peeling off. That was my thought. I feel like I should just take it completely off and wipe it clean because I mean the spider stuff's on the inside of here, so I don't think that's such a big deal. The other issues for this is that some of the threading is coming out. Okay, so I see like right here. Okay, I'm sure this is going to be hard for me to show to you guys. Just kind of weird. Anyways, this should be a green thread that goes across here and it meets right here. Yeah, it's not there. It's not there. So I'm going to have to repair that in some spots. Again, pretty easy thing. I feel like I can repair this jacket. If my niece or somebody wants it though, I will give it to them. So we'll see. Let's move on to the next box. Okay guys, for this next box, there are actually more pieces than I indicated on my little sheet here, but this was such a junky box that I just went ahead and decided to pick the 5 pieces that were actually possibly sellable. And all the rest I'm going to show to you, but I'm totally not listing it or even bothering with it at all. So, I'm averaging this as 5 pieces in this box, but there are more pieces. So I paid $16.21 for the box, and that will average out to $3.24 in profit. So this first item here, it's a Columbia size medium, and look at how this is going to tell you how this looks already. Okay, it's a long sleeve t-shirt, and it's just, I mean, it's faded. Nobody's going to want this, guys. So I'm not going to waste my time listing that. So there's that one. And same with this. This is an Adidas Spurs Antonio shirt. It's just really worn, guys. Nobody's going to want this stuff. So there's that. And then who wants this? Seriously? Like really? Yeah, it has the tags on it, but I looked it up. It's worth nothing. Nobody wants this. I gotta throw it in the box. And this. What? I mean, I can give this to my niece. A little change purse, whatever. So there's that. And then there's this Victoria's Secret. I mean, does anybody buy this stuff? Really? Yeah, there's that. So, I mean, a lot of this stuff was just like a waste of my time even going through the box. And this here is extremely faded. It's a New York & Company size medium dress, but it's really faded. I mean, there's just a ton of fading. I know these are rescue boxes, guys, but come on. I mean, this stuff is just really crappy. So I am just going to do a total revamp on this. And my thought process is the lighting is terrible when I look. I look orange. I'm like an Oompa Loompa. My thought here is to do a complete revamp on this and see what I can do. But again, it won't be able to be listed as a New York & Company dress because it will then become an upcycle. So whatever, we'll see how it goes. So we have a Nike dry fit size small shirt, which is fine, but this thing is snagged to high heaven. That was terrible. Look at that. Oh, that lighting. My gosh, I gotta watch the way I hold these things. It's terrible. Yeah, nobody's gonna buy this. So I didn't include it in the stuff. What did I include? I said 5 pieces. So far, I haven't included one thing. Okay, so this is an exhilaration size medium romper, I think. Or is it a shirt? What is this? I think it's a shirt. I don't know. Maybe it's a really short dress or something. I'm not really sure. Anyways, here you go, guys. This is a Target brand. Really? Really? I didn't see anything wrong with it aside from the fact that it's from Target and I won't be able to make any money on it. So, I don't know. Will I list it? I'm not sure, guys. Oh, this is incredibly frustrating. So this is a pink size extra small tank. I did not really see any major issues with this, I don't think. I think the only issue that I saw was that a couple of the sequins had come loose. So that's an easy fix for me. I'm not really concerned about that. I'll fix that in a few minutes. So this was a really disappointing box. So this is where you're taking a chance. When you get things like this, you just don't know what these people are going to send you. And this box to me was a complete and total bust. So this is a staccato
I don't know, will you call this like a blazer jacket type situation? I don't know. It's kind of a military type situation. This is actually really cute. I believe this isn't supposed to be this color. I don't know. I'm just guessing. It's probably not. So it's definitely got some fading issues. I believe that was the major concern that I saw with this. And I think I actually contemplated whether or not I was going to list it. I'm not sure. I put 5 pieces in here. I can't imagine what 5 pieces I was actually going to sell. So this box here could be a total bust for me. I don't know. And I'm really sorry I wasted your time going over it. But this gives you an idea of what you could get when you order these types of boxes from people. So hopefully that was helpful for you. Let's jump into final thoughts. Okay guys, so the first box was okay. The second box was like a total bust. And I just feel so terrible for wasting your time on that box. But I also think it's important for me to go over it with you because it shows you what you could possibly get if you decide to take a chance on boxes like these. You might get complete and total junk that is not sellable. Now I believe out of all the boxes that I've gotten thus far, that is the only one that is complete junk. But the other boxes definitely had some really good items in there that I will hopefully be able to profit nicely on once I fix the small minor issues with them. So I'm hoping that you're finding these videos helpful or useful in some way. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button already, because I have so many more fun things that I'm going to be doing on this channel and you definitely won't regret it. So I hope that you found this video helpful or useful in some way. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, like, share, do all those things to help other people find this channel. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! If you're new here, welcome! Thanks for deciding that you wanted to subscribe to my channel. That sounds terrible. If you're new here, welcome! So glad that you decided to give my channel a shot, and I hope that, if you're new here, welcome! I can't think of what I want to say. So in today's video, I'm going to cover with you there's actually 2. Sorry. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. Why does it seem all off? You know, these sellers buy a lot of things that they always don't catch. Okay. 2 more mystery damaged rescue boxes from Poshmark. If you guys didn't catch that So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 2 more rescue damaged Poshmark boxes. Do it again. If you guys didn't catch that first video where I told you what my approach to selling on Poshmark? What's Poshmark? Can you guys tell me? I want to sell on there too.